Hey guys, welcome back to Willpower Garage. Today we're working on a 2016 Chevy Colorado and we're going to replace the rear view camera. In case yours is a little foggy, follow along. All right guys, so to get access to the camera here, there's a couple of things we need to do. Look down the tailgate, there's an inspection cover here. There's a couple of Torx bolts that we need to remove. And then the camera itself, the cable runs through the tailgate, and you can see it here where it's coming through the tailgate into the bed of the truck, and we're gonna gain access to that from underneath. But first, let's pull off this cover so we can see what we're working with. Okay, right here is the camera itself. It's also held in with some Torx bolts. We don't need to worry about removing the handle itself. We're just gonna remove these two Torx bolts and we should be able to get this out. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm underneath the truck, right by the spare tire here. This is the connector we need to get out. Now, Chevy likes to use these locks. So you need to pull that lock back before you can depress the tab. I was having trouble doing it while holding the camera, but basically slide the red tab back, push down on the black portion, and you should be able to just pull it out disconnected. And there's plenty of room in the grommet up here where this needs to go through. So I'm gonna go back up to the top and we're gonna swap out that camera. Okay guys, one other thing I wanted to point out really quick. Before you go snaking this wire out, you know, it's running up into that tailgate pretty far, and it would be pretty hard to get the new one in, you know, where this is. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tie a piece of just wire to it so I could pull it through, and then I could pull the new connector back through the same hole. It'll make this installation way easier. You can do this with string, anything, you know, just so you can pull it in and out. I mean, even if the camera's not working at all, you could probably even cut it and use that to fish the new one in. So I'm gonna put a piece of wire on here and then we're gonna pull that through. Okay, you can see, here's the wire pulled up and the wire from the old one. So now I just have to remove the two Torx screws there. Okay guys, as you can see, that's basically it. Here's the old one. Out of the hole, we'll just kind of clean up the dust and dirt around there, and we're going to put the new one in the same way we pulled this out. The only difference now is we're going to tie the new connector to the wire and use the wire to pull it back through the hole. I'm going to put a little bit of dielectric grease on the connector. You don't need it. These are weatherproof connectors, but it's a little extra insurance. You know, this thing is sitting underneath the... All right, as you can see, we've got it in, tightened up, wires back through the back through the pickup bed and connected. Okay guys, there's the image with the new camera in there, and you know, it's only took us a few minutes to install it, so it's not like the sun has changed or anything, but that's a drastically clearer image. So from here, we're gonna go back into the back and we're gonna put that inspection cover back on the tailgate. Okay guys, as you can see, replacing the camera in this thing is super simple. As long as you follow along those steps and the trick about, you know, just being able to snake the wire in and out, you should have no trouble at all. So as always guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.